In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your email in QuickBooks. If you've ever sent an invoice and realized the reply to address wasn't the one you wanted, or you need to make sure customers reach the right mailbox, this quick update will help. We'll make the change right inside your QuickBooks settings, so future messages use the correct email. I'll walk you through the exact path to get there and share a few tips to avoid common mistakes. Start on your QuickBooks home screen and look to the top right corner. You'll see a small gear icon, which opens the settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear. This is where QuickBooks keeps your company-level preferences, so it's the right place to update your contact details. From the menu that appears, find the Your Company section and choose Account and Settings. This area contains your core business profile, billing, and other preferences that affect your entire company file. You may be prompted for admin-level access here. If you don't see this option, make sure you're signed in with the proper permissions. Once Account and Settings opens, you should land on the Company tab. If not, click Company along the left side to get there. Near the top, you'll see your company information summarized. Look for the email field in this section. This is the address QuickBooks uses for company communications and, depending on your setup, what customers may see on forms you send. To make your change, click Edit next to the email field. A small panel will open where you can type the new email address. Take a moment to enter it carefully and double-check for typos. One wrong character can send customer replies into the void. It's usually best to use a monitored business inbox rather than a personal address, and make sure whoever manages customer communications has access to it. When you're confident the address is correct, click Save. QuickBooks will confirm the update and apply it to your company profile. In some cases, you may see a prompt to verify the new email to confirm you own it. If that appears, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. That's all it takes. You went to the gear icon in the top right, opened Account and Settings under your company, stayed on the Company tab, located the email field in your company info, clicked Edit, updated the address, and saved your changes. Keeping this current helps ensure invoices, estimates, and messages point customers to the right place, and it keeps your records consistent across your account. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make another update.